In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a website on Hostinger VPS in just 5 minutes. So if you're looking to bring your ideas online swiftly and efficiently, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and set up your virtual private server, which is a versatile option to ensure your website runs smoothly and securely. To begin with, you'll need to head over to Hostinger's website. It's a trusted platform for many when it comes to reliable web hosting solutions. Once you arrive there, the first step is to locate and click on the Login button. If you have an existing account, sign in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account, which is a simple process involving your email and setting up a password. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger account dashboard known as hPanel. Here, you'll want to search for the marketplace, which is essentially Hostinger's hub for all its products and services. Clicking on this will give you access to various hosting options and additional tools. Now navigate over to the hosting section within the marketplace. This is where you'll see multiple hosting plans offered by Hostinger. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're focusing on VPS hosting. Click on VPS hosting to explore the detailed options available to you. VPS or virtual private server hosting is great for websites that have grown beyond the basic shared hosting setup. It offers more dedicated resources, which translates to better performance and reliability for your audience. Once you've clicked on VPS hosting, you'll enter the VPS section. Here you'll see an option labeled Explore. Click on this to delve deeper into the VPS plans and configurations. Each plan will outline different levels of CPU power, RAM and storage space. These specs will determine how your website performs based on the anticipated traffic levels. After browsing through the options, you'll want to add a new VPS to your account. Look for the Add New VPS button and click on it. This will initiate the setup process where you'll choose the plan that's best tailored to your website's needs. Think about your site's size, complexity and future growth when making this decision, and that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a new VPS on Hostinger, ready to host your website efficiently. Remember, with VPS hosting, you gain more control and flexibility over how you manage your website compared to shared hosting. Thanks for following along with me, and happy hosting!